Hey guys, welcome back to Chic. Today I'm super excited because I am unboxing an Antminer Asic Miner, and this is so cool because it can do like ETH or whatever, and I'm going to set it up at a later video, but I just want you to see what comes in it. Now here's the thing, I've learned something about these as I've ordered this. Number one, if you're not careful and you're ordering it, you can get them and they've been used before. This is not used, this is a new one. So it costs more. If you find one that's super cheap, it's probably used and abused and it won't give you the hash rate you want. So that's the first thing. Second thing is, when you order it, you have to order the power supply separately. They're gonna put it in the box with it if you order it together, but the Bitmain's power supply comes separate, so you need to make sure you get the right one for the Antminer, and you have to order a different. So if you just order the Antminer, you're going to get it, and you'll get your Bitmain Antminer, and it's not going to be able to run because it has no way to plug it up and power it. So I had to order that. Now they put it in the box with it, so I got it all together, but it's two separate orders or two separate things. So I've got that. And then let's just go on in here. So really, it does not come with that. That was extra. You need to make sure you've got it, but it's not in there. I'm not sure if I said this, but welcome back to Chic as I take out all this stuff. Super happy that you're with us. And as we dig on into cryptography, into cryptocurrency and mining online, I just want to say that I'm welcoming you here. I'd love to hear more about your take on it and your thoughts and what your experiences are. So let's get this guy out of here and hit askthenerd.net for all kinds of more resources. We have tons of resources and links that go on top of this, as well as blog posts and articles and pages and more. Okay, so this is going to be the bad boy that's in it, and I'm trying not to drop it. It's heavy for as small as it is, and it should be. So here it comes. Well, it's well packaged. Of course, this is new, and it was ordered from the company, so it tends to be better shipped and packaged than possibly some of the others. Here's what this bad boy looks like. Brand new, hot off the press. Look at that bad boy. Boom. Isn't that awesome? Boom, 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 boom. So, just wanted to show you guys this awesome little trick. This guy is cool. So this is my Bitmain Antminer, and it's passed its inspection. Beautiful. I'm looking at markings on here, but it's not old or anything. It's just from the company itself. Anyways, there's the hookup and everything. Really cool stuff. So that's my Antminer in the box with the Bitmain power supply. And that's it, guys. That is it. So here's the deal. If you're ordering this, this is what it looks like when you get it. That's pretty much all that's in the box except for the return RMA information. Then you need to hit a blog or a website to learn how to set it up. I'll show you how I set it up later, but that's it for this. So be sure to hit askthenerd.net, subscribe to this channel, give us some love on here, and if you got any comments or questions, hit the comments and share them with us. Thanks for tuning in. You guys take care.